Coach Botanic Gardens, the only botanic gardens on the Gold Coast, and shows all our flora of the Gold Coast. So we have endangered species there. We have guided walks every week. We have activities for kids during the school holidays. We have a friend centre where you can find out lots more about the Gold Coast and the beautiful plants that we have here. We have so many plants on the Gold Coast, it's incredible. Well, I'm lucky enough to be the president, have been for a few years, and it's a very exciting organisation because we do so many different things, you know. We get the public in, like last weekend we had a lovely community planting on National Tree Day, and we had a great group of people in planting, put in 300 new plants in the Botanic Gardens, so that was very exciting. They loved it. They loved getting the kids out there and planting and networking and having a community event. We have families, we have older people, we have young couples, we have university students, we have all sorts of people involved.